I am glad to welcome you to the GB Cars Problems channel. Today, we are diving into the Peugeot 207, first generation, produced from 2006 to 2012. This compact hatchback was a popular choice in the United Kingdom for its stylish French design and nimble handling on city streets. However, like many cars of its era, it comes with a share of weak spots that owners should know about before buying one used. Let us start with the most common and frequently encountered problems. As promised, turbo failures top the list, especially in the diesel variants like the 1.6 HDI engine. These turbos can fail prematurely due to oil starvation or carbon buildup, leading to costly repairs often exceeding £1,000. Electrical wiring faults are another headache that plagues this model. The wiring harnesses, particularly around the engine bay and dashboard, tend to fray or corrode over time, causing intermittent faults like dashboard lights flickering or complete electrical shutdowns. Many owners report spending hundreds of pounds on diagnostics and rewiring at garages across the UK. Beyond turbos and wiring, the timing chain in petrol engines, such as the 1.4 and 1.6 VTI, is a notorious weak point. It can stretch or snap, if not maintained properly, resulting in engine damage that might set you back over £1,500 to fix. Regular oil changes every 10,000 kilometers are crucial to mitigate this issue. Suspension components also wear out faster than expected on British roads. The front wishbones and anti-roll bar links often need replacement after about 50,000 kilometers, contributing to a rattly ride. While this is not unique to the 207, it adds to the maintenance costs for daily drivers. The gearbox, especially in manual versions, can develop synchromesh problems leading to crunchy shifts. Automatic transmissions in some models are prone to overheating, which might require a full rebuild costing around £800. Test drives should include checking for smooth gear changes to avoid surprises. Fuel efficiency is a mixed bag with this car. The diesel engines can achieve up to 50 miles per gallon on motorways, making it economical for long commutes in the UK. However, petrol versions guzzle more, averaging around 35 miles per gallon, which might not suit budget-conscious buyers with rising fuel prices. On the positive side, the Peugeot 207 offers a comfortable interior with supportive seats and a decent boot space of 270 litres. It handles twisty B-roads well, providing an engaging drive for enthusiasts. Safety features like multiple airbags and ABS were standard, earning it a 4-star Euro NCAP rating. Rust can be an issue, particularly on the underbody and wheel arches, due to the UK's wet climate. Owners in coastal areas like Cornwall report faster corrosion, so undersealing is recommended upon purchase. A thorough inspection could save you from expensive bodywork repairs later. The air conditioning system often fails because of compressor issues or leaks in the condenser. This is more prevalent in models driven in hot summers, leading to uncomfortable cabins. Replacement parts are readily available, but labor might add up to £400 at a local mechanic. Engine management lights frequently illuminate due to faulty sensors, such as the lambda or map sensors. These can trigger limp mode, restricting performance on the motorway. Diagnostic tools are essential for owners, and fixes usually cost under £200 if caught early. The exhaust gas recirculation valve, or EGR, in diesels clogs up with soot, reducing power and increasing emissions. Cleaning or replacing it every 40,000 kilometers helps, but neglect can lead to MOT failures in the UK. This is a common gripe among fleet owners who rack up high mileage. Brake wear is accelerated on this model, with discs and pads needing replacement every 20,000 to 30,000 kilometers. The handbrake mechanism can seize in wet weather, a typical issue in rainy regions like Scotland. Upgrading to quality aftermarket parts improves longevity. Interior quality has its ups and downs. The plastics feel premium for the class, and the cabin is quiet at speed, making it pleasant for family outings. However, door handles and trim pieces can break easily, especially in cars used by younger drivers. The 1.6 turbocharged petrol engine in GT models delivers spirited performance with 175 horsepower. It accelerates from 0 to 60 in under 8 seconds, appealing to those who enjoy a bit of fun. Fuel consumption hovers around 30 miles per gallon, balancing power and efficiency. Coolant leaks from the radiator or thermostat housing are reported by many owners. This can overheat the engine if not addressed, potentially causing head gasket failure. Regular checks under the bonnet are advised, with repairs costing about £300. The power steering pump in electric-assisted systems can fail, leading to heavy steering. This is more common in urban driving with lots of low-speed maneuvers. Replacement is straightforward, but might run to £500 including labor. Visibility is generally good, thanks to large windows and slim pillars. However, the rear wiper motor often seizes, impairing safety in bad weather. A quick fix with lubricant can prevent this, but full replacement is inexpensive at under £100. The battery drains quickly due to parasitic electrical draws from faulty modules. Owners in colder parts of the UK, like the north, notice this during winter starts. Investing in a quality battery and checking for recalls helps alleviate the problem. Fuel injectors in diesel engines can become clogged, causing rough idling and poor acceleration. Professional cleaning services are available for around £200. This maintains the car's reliability for daily commutes. The clutch in manual transmissions wears out around 60,000 kilometers, especially in stop-start traffic. Dual-mass flywheels add to the expense, with a full clutch kit costing over £600. Smooth driving habits can extend its life. On the brighter side, the 207's styling remains attractive, with sleek lines that age well. It offers good value on the used market, with prices starting from £1,500 for a decent example. Resale value holds up better than some rivals. Headlight bulbs burn out frequently, and the units can fog up from moisture ingress. Upgrading to LED bulbs improves visibility on dark country lanes. This is a minor annoyance but worth noting for night drivers. The infotainment system, if equipped, is basic but reliable, with CD players holding up well. Bluetooth retrofits are popular and inexpensive. It suits those who prefer simple tech without modern distractions. Wheel bearings hum after high mileage, often needing replacement every 70,000 kilometers. The noise is unmistakable on motorways. Parts are cheap, around £50 each, making it an easy fix. The turbo intercooler in performance models can leak, reducing boost pressure. This affects acceleration and might trigger warning lights. Repairs involve hose replacements, costing under £300. Cabin filters clog quickly in polluted areas like London, leading to poor airflow. Replacing them manually ensures fresh air inside. It's a simple DIY job for most owners. The exhaust system corrodes faster in salted winter roads, common in the Midlands. Manifold cracks lead to noisy operation and failed emissions tests. Stainless steel aftermarket options provide better durability. Ride comfort is commendable over potholes, thanks to the supple suspension setup. It absorbs bumps better than some German rivals. This makes it ideal for uneven UK roads. Fuel tank sender units fail, giving inaccurate readings on the gauge. This can leave you stranded if not monitored. Calibration or replacement costs about £150. The thermostat often sticks, causing overheating or poor heater performance in winter. It's a quick swap for under £100. Regular coolant flushes prevent this. Door locks and central locking modules glitch, especially in humid weather. Key fob batteries drain fast too. Reprogramming at a dealer might be needed, adding to ownership hassles. The positive aspects include low insurance groups, often in the teens, making it affordable for new drivers. Road tax is reasonable, around £160 annually for most models. This keeps running costs down. Camshaft position sensors fail, stalling the engine at idle. It's a common fault in 1.6 engines. Replacement is inexpensive but requires diagnostic confirmation. The rear beam axle bushes wear out, causing clunks over speed bumps. Renewal kits are available for around £200. This restores handling sharpness. In conclusion, the Peugeot 207 suits budget buyers seeking a stylish, fun-to-drive hatchback for city and suburban use in the UK, provided they are prepared for regular maintenance on turbos, wiring, and suspension. It is less ideal for high-mileage motorists or those avoiding repair bills, but with care, it can be a reliable companion. Enthusiasts who enjoy tinkering will appreciate its character despite the flaws. And if you own this automotive masterpiece, please describe the problems you encountered while driving it. Perhaps your review will help viewers when choosing a car. That's all I have for now. Thank you all very much for your attention. I'd be very grateful if you subscribe to the channel. See you soon.